questions based on efficiency of EMF of source or efficiency of device as well as power. Now today I write on a question here. The question is, what is the power output of the source if the battery is shorted, and as well as what is the power dissipation inside the battery in this case. Now students, when you short your battery, in that condition the value of external resistance also short circuited and it becomes zero. Now when the external resistance becomes zero, the output power also becomes zero. What it means, if I am saying this is an external resistance R and this external resistance is connected with the battery of EMF E with internal resistance R. Now when we short our battery, in that condition the value of external resistance R becomes zero, and when the external resistance becomes zero, the output power also becomes zero. Now the answer for the first part is that when we shorted the battery, then R is equal to 0, so output power is also 0. Output power भी कितना हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. This is the answer for the first part. Second is, what is the power dissipation inside the battery in this case? Students, when the battery is shorted, now the power inside the battery is dissipated as a heat inside the battery through the internal resistance R. So जब आप बैटरी को शॉर्ट करोगे तो बैटरी की जो पावर है वो डेसिपेट होगा एज अ हीट, ओके, और इनसाइड द बैटरी के अंदर वो एज अ हीट डेसिपेट होगा, और उसके डेसिपेशन के लिए पाथ कौन सा होगा? द पाथ इज द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द बैटरी. So the power inside battery, the power of the battery is dissipated as heat. The power of the battery is dissipated as heat inside the battery, okay, as heat inside the battery through internal resistance. Through internal resistance. Now, if you want to find the value of that power dissipation or value of heat dissipation, now power dissipation inside battery, we can find by P is equal to I square multiplied by R. ओके, स्मॉल r मैंने क्यों लिया बच्चों? क्योंकि जो पावर है जो डेसिपेट हो रही है वो किसके थ्रू हो रही है? थ्रू द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस. थ्रू द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ I become E upon small r because capital R is 0. So formula was E upon R plus R efficiency. The value of current is E upon R plus R. But capital R is 0, so E upon R, the value of I multiplied by small r, so it become E square by R. So the power dissipation formula inside the battery, this is E square by small r. Okay. Now student, second question. Show that efficiency of the battery when delivering maximum power is only 50%. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको शो करना है कि अगर बैटरी हमारा मैक्सिमम पावर डिलीवर कर रहा है तो उसकी एफिशिएंसी 50% होती है. बच्चों, मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको सिखाया है कि द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द सोर्स ऑफ ईएमएफ का अगर फॉर्मूला देखें तो एफिशिएंसी फॉर द सोर्स ऑफ ईएमएफ इसको हम लोग फॉर्मुलाइज करते थे ईटा इज इक्वल टू आर अपॉन आर प्लस आर. Now, if this battery deliver maximum power, if battery deliver maximum power, तो मैक्सिमम पावर तो तभी डिलीवर करेगा बच्चों जब हमारा एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस से परफेक्ट मैचिंग करेगा और मैक्सिमम पावर थ्योरम को फॉलो करेगा. तो अगर कैपिटल आर की वैल्यू स्मॉल आर की इक्वल है Now in that condition, we write this equation as r upon r plus r. Right? We put small r as a capital R. Now it is r upon 2r, or efficiency is 1 by 2. Efficiency is 1 by 2, or we can write this is 0.5. So efficiency is only 0.5. And if we find the percentage efficiency, now we multiply 0.5 with 100. Now we get 50%. So here we prove when the battery deliver maximum power, its efficiency is only 50%. Okay. Now student, the next question is, show that power output of the source is maximum when the current drawn by the motor is E upon 2R. Now here in this case, the question says if the power of the source is maximum, the current drawn by the motor is equal to E upon 2R. राइट, तो अगर पावर मैक्सिमम है तो मोटर जो करंट ड्रॉ कर रहा है उसकी वैल्यू है E अपॉन 2R, ये हमें शो करना है। तो स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले तो हम लोग ये मान लेते हैं, लेट द करंट I, करंट ड्रॉन बाय मोटर इज I. ओके, नाउ अगर हम आउटपुट पावर फाइंड आउट करें, नाउ फॉर आउटपुट पावर ऑफ सोर्स, तो हम लोग इस पावर को लिख सकते हैं P इज इक्वल टू आउटपुट पावर P, दैट इज इक्वल टू इनपुट पावर माइनस हीट लॉस. So input power is E into I, and heat loss we can write as I square into small r. Now student, if this power is maximum, if power is maximum, what it means? It means the differentiation of power with respect to current. If we put 0, we get the maximum power. Okay, so we differentiate this equation as dP upon di, which is equal to E minus 2IR, or put dP upon di is equal to 0. So here we get I is equal to E upon 2R. Right? So when the power is maximum, the current drawn by the motor is E upon 2R. Okay. Now here I discussed some problem based on efficiency and power. Hope you understand all the questions. If you like my videos, please like, share my videos, as well as subscribe my channel Physics Clinic. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.